Hello everyone, I'm gonna share my screen. Uh, that's my assignment. That's my assignment. I'm gonna run this. I'm gonna restart this because this previous one I was already doing. So I'm gonna start again. So gonna add factor. This 9. So I'm gonna add another factor or life balance or life balance. I'm gonna give rating this. I'm gonna add another factor, job in demand. Job in DMAND. So I'm gonna give this rating 8. So I am gonna just finish this. So I add 0. So how many job do you want to evaluate? I wanna evaluate at least 3. So from our assignment 1, there is 3. So I'm gonna add 3. Enter name of job 1. So I'm gonna write save. Job 2 is IT engineer. So job 3 is cleaner. So in the ratings 1 to 10, I'm gonna add ratings 7 for safe, work-life balance for safe, 6. Job in demand 5. Ratings for IT engineer, salary 9. Uh, Actually, I have given weight in the top 8, but I'm gonna add here 9. Work-life balance 9. Job in demand also 9. I'm gonna give a salary for cleaner 6. Work-life balance 5 and job in demand 6. So here the result recommended career IT engineer, which is the high score uh, comparing to safe and cleaner. So I'm gonna explain the code. Here my first function is here get factor and weight function. This function is used to enter any number of factors that are important for choosing a career. Example, salary, work life, job in demand, for example this one. So here my code works, enter the factor. So I'm gonna add the factor, enter the at least one factor. So if factory is already entered, so this one, so if I add again salary, then it will show you already. So I'm gonna do another one. So this is the weight. So as in my assignment 1, I couldn't answer why this is 1 less than 1 or more than 9. So in this condition, weight must be between 1 to 9. Else if weight or should be 9, can be 9 as well. But this 9 can be used only once. So that's the function. So each factor is assigned a weight between 1 to 9 according to the new, like according to the what is important. So if it is highly important, it's 9. So if it is less important, I gonna, as I already showed in the result, there is for the safe I have given less. So this is my another function. Before I go this, the purpose of my first function is to personalize the decision making process based on what the user value the most. So according to the user, what user gonna value most. So my another function is get job, this one. So this is used for user to decide how many jobs they want to evaluate, and job names are collected. So how many job, so it asked question, I as I saw in the result. So I type 3, so I do 3 job safe. IT engineer and cleaner. So this function works like that. And the purpose of the function is to allow comparison of different career paths so that we can compare so which career path is best for us. So another function, this get job ratings. So for the ratings, job ratings, so we can evaluate which is important. So this function is used to provide ratings for every factor. We give ratings for like my this result, like ratings. We give ratings, say safe, this salary, this 7, work life 6. So that's the ratings. So purpose of this function is to input how each job performs based on the chosen criteria. That's the purpose. So my another function is refine on demand. So job ratings and weight, how much is it weights on like ratings high or low. This function lets user enter the number of job ads and LinkedIn profile for each job in which demand ratio is equal to ads or profiles is calculated. Purpose of this function is to make the job demand score more data driven using market supply and demand. So according to the how much that job is posted, like quantity or how much which is the highest, so according to it calculate and evaluate so which one is important. So my another function is calculate weight score. It calculate the uh, score of my this one here. It calculate and which is the best. 9, this is IT engineer, safe is this, cleaner is this 5.68. So that's my this function calculate weight scores. So in this function, the program multiplies each factor's rating by its assigned weight, then it divides by the sum of all weights to get a weighted average score for each job. So yeah, each job like average score, that's the IT engineer 9, safe 6.04, and cleaner 6.56. That's the this function creates the average score. The purpose of this function is to fairly calculate which job is best, which job is best for us based on both performance and importance of each factor. So we are in Australia here, so we have to look everything like our work life balance, salary is high or no. So this function calculate the best score so that we look for the best job in our what do I say, in our process or in our daily life. And this display result, this function, so that's the final score, and it recommends job with the highest score. So here is my, here this the recommend career IT engineer, so this the score is highest, so it recommends IT career. So that's my code for the assignment 2, which I could not maybe answer on assignment 1. I could not answer some of the people's question. So that's all function do here. Thank you for the, thank you for listening. I'm gonna end my work now.